Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best plunge router on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing, before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Triton Plunge Router. The Triton TRA001314 HP Dual Mode Precision Plunge Router weighs 2.9 pounds and includes a plunge base and a bottom handle with speed control. The Triton Precision Plunge Router has a half collet, 1.5 HP, 0 to 35,000 RPM, and a 1/18 diameter plunge base. The Triton Precision Plunge Router is an excellent tool for your woodworking business and offers dual-mode plunge action. The Triton Precision Plunge Router delivers a precision cut and is an excellent tool for your woodworking business. The Triton Precision Plunge Router weighs 2.9 pounds and includes a plunge base and a bottom handle with speed control. The Triton Precision Plunge Router has a half collet and can be used as a standalone router or mounted in a router table. The Triton Precision Plunge Router is an excellent tool for your woodworking business and offers dual-mode plunge action. Number 4. Skil Plunge Router. The Skil Plunge Router features a heavy-duty, 3.5 horsepower direct drive motor, which delivers the power you need to get the job done. It has a one-touch plunge lock that allows quick adjustment of the bit depth to the work surface. This router also includes a built-in LED light, which illuminates your work surface for better visibility. Include a rugged carrying case with a handle, and this router is easy to transport and easy to use. This router features a plunge base that lets you make extra deep cuts, while the fixed base provides a stable platform for your toughest routing tasks. This router offers a powerful 1.25 HP motor that delivers 3,800 RPM, has a soft start, and variable speed control. It features a rubber over-molded handle, rubber on-off switch, and a soft grip, double-insulated tool with a plunge lock. The router's kit includes a fixed base, 1/4 collet, wrench, plunge base and a user manual. Number 3. DEWALT Plunge Router. The DEWALT DW618 PKB Plunge Base Fixed and Plunge Base Kit provides all the features of a plunge base in a fixed base configuration. It allows you to plunge cut by lowering the bit below the workpiece. Plunge cuts are faster and more accurate than standard cuts. With a plunge depth of 1 to 5/8, the base is compatible with any router table. The kit provides a base, a plunge rod and shoe, and a collet. The DEWALT DW618 PKB Plunge Base Fixed and Plunge Base Kit is ideal for use with a table saw, miter saw and many other woodworking tools. It is an electronic variable speed router with a plunge lock control. It features a 2.25 horsepower motor with a speed range of 10,000 to 25,000 RPM and a soft start feature. The DEWALT DW618 PK Plunge Router is a 2.25 horsepower, variable speed router that has a soft start feature. Number 2. BOSCH Plunge Router. TIS Plunge Router Tool Combo Kit from BOSCH features a quick change high-speed spindle for a fast depth of cut adjustment, a dust collection port and a 1617 EVS fixed base router with a soft start and full range variable speed. The 1617 EVS PK comes with a plunge base, fixed base, collet, spindle, collet nut and wrench. Use this router to cut decorative edges, construct mortises and tenons, chamfer edges and recessed panel grooves in medium to high-density softwoods, hardwoods and man-made boards. The 1617 EVSK comes with a plunge base, fixed base, collet, spindle, collet nut and wrench. This package comes with a rugged carrying case, which provides ample storage space for router bit accessories. The most compact router in its class delivers both plunge and fixed base routing. At less than 10 pounds, it delivers high power and versatility in a compact design. Number 1. Makita Plunge Router. The Makita RP2301 FC router is a versatile, professional-grade router that provides the power, durability, and ergonomic features to tackle the most demanding applications. The extremely powerful 3/1/4 HP motor delivers 1,400 RPM and a maximum of 25,000 RPM, delivering exceptional power and huge cutting capacities. This router is equipped with a dual-range, variable speed motor that delivers 3.25 horsepower of power to create challenging cuts in all types of wood. The motor is efficient and powerful, and it includes a soft start feature for an easier and smoother plunge action. The Makita Plunge Router features a large, ergonomically designed handle for greater comfort, and the plunge mechanism has a built-in locking mechanism for convenient, one-handed adjustments. A two-position detent lever and indicator make it easy to achieve the best position for maximum control. The Makita Plunge Router is equipped with a vertically adjustable machining center template guide. This router has a plunge depth of 1.25 inches, and it includes a convenient quick-release depth adjustment lever for fast, precise setting adjustments. The Makita Plunge Router includes a high-performance carbide-tipped blade and a standard carbide blade. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.